then.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video of Control VR and Gaming 1. And today we got the monkey here. My game just lagged, it just turned pitch black. And we got Derek here. So today we're going to be go mining. And we actually predicted the update. If you haven't checked out the Getting Robots update, make sure to go check it out. Because we actually predicted it. That's what we thought. That's what we thought.
Last time this thing was closed up there.
Alright
and
guys.
now it's back open.
Wait.
Let's check it out.
Oh.
I wonder if it's like the other one.
Well, yo, wait. Yo, Derek, Derek, go back.
Why?
I'm gonna buy the big flashlight. It's too dark.
Buy me one too. Buy me one too. It's time to flash the monster, bro.
Okay, let's go. I don't have a
We're
grappler.
absolutely blinding it. Okay, so there's nothing new in the horizon.
Yeah, there's nothing new in the horizon.
So we gotta check something. Ooh.
Something tells me you should go from wall to wall.
Sing.
Landmines.
New
I
monster?
haven't seen landmines in a long time.
New monster? Maybe. This is telling me like Armstrong Cave, bro.
Yo, cave diving.
What is that? I heard like a dog bark.
Oh!
What is that?
I killed it. It was a little dog.
You carry him. I can hear another one.
Oh
my goodness!
I got it! Whoa. Get off of my face! Wait, what HP are you at?
I'm like low. Okay, so we gotta stay on walls.
New monster. Alright, stay on walls.
Lava.
Okay, screw this big flashlight.
Up. We have to go up. Monster question mark. Cave diving, round 2.
Let me know. Uh-oh, parkour.
This is telling me Armstrong Cave. I don't know why.
What is Armstrong?
Yeah, this is like telling me Armstrong Cave. I'll hold that. You can have the flashlight.
Alright, where do we go? Which way?
Yo!
Derek, turn behind for me. Derek, okay, stay like that. Derek, I get it. Okay, stay still, stand still.
Okay, let's go.
I caught those cheeks on camera, bro.
Do we take the flashlight?
Nah, I already have lamps. Wait, Derek. Go back.
Why?
Cause we haven't went this way. Derek.
Wait, there's another area?
Yes, you didn't see it?
Oh, no, I didn't see that.
Oh.
Oh my.
I fell down.
Did you just die?
Yeah, wait, hold on. I'm gonna respawn. I'll meet you back, alright?
Alright. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to survive this, but okay.
Alright, I'm gonna go. Okay, I gotta hurry up for Derek. My best friend. My friend. Okay, so then we got that, and that. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna bring this just to stick on the walls. Yup, my screen just turned pitch black. I'm coming for you, Derek. I'm coming for you, Derek. Derek, where you at?
I'm scared.
Ah, my game's lagging. Where you at, Derek? Where you at? I'm here.
Wait a minute, let's go up there.
Alright, let's go back.
Hold on. Is that all, or is there more?
I think there's more harder. Let's go.
Let's check. Oh yeah, the doggy spawned. Oh hell no! Another one.
Literally bit my face out, bro.
Okay, well let's. Okay, yeah, that was the direction we were supposed to go. So then we have to go.
I'm Aaron Yeager right now.
Is that it, or is there more?
Do we go up?
Let's go. Come on. Where you at?
I'm coming. I'm Aaron Yeager. Derek, I'm Aaron Yeager now.
Oh my goodness.
Where you at, Derek?
Are we supposed to go through here?
Duh.
Where are we supposed to go? Oh, over here, over there. Oh, yeah, that.
What happened?
Spider.
Hey, let's show them what O block is. Come on. Hey, let me get that shoe. Let's show them what O block is there. Oh, my lord.
I'm gonna leave the flashlight right here.
Oh, my lord. He's just like that one.
Wait. Move.
I'm like low on HP.
Yo!
Yo! But Eric, should we take the gold with us?
Should we take what?
Well, let me get the
Hurry.
memory.
Need more stuff? No.
Oh, wait, check over here. Okay, we're
Yeah,
fine. We're fine. Oh, but I see something.
Yo, I see some blue stuff.
Yo, what?
Water. Oh, heck no. I know the angler's gonna be in here. Ooh, cave diving.
Oh, my lord.
Do you have a flashlight?
Ah,
Do you have a flashlight?
no.
Oh, yes. This actually looks cool.
Oh!
What is this?
Derek, I think there's fish in the water.
There's some ore. There's ore.
Wait, let's mine them.
Yeah, but
Be careful with your surroundings.
I don't know if that's
Wait,
a good
Derek,
idea.
you could pick it up.
I don't know if that's a good idea.
Put this in your backpack.
I found a hole.
Why? Wait, Derek, put one of
Look,
the
come
things.
down.
Put one of the things in your backpack.
Can we?
Yeah, you can.
Well, there's a hole there.
You gotta grab it. I'll carry the pump.
No, give me it. Give me a pump.
Bro, my game is lagging like hell.
Ooh. Spooky.
Spooky, spooky skeleton.
I swear, the anglerfish is down here. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna crash out.
Sam,
Stop.
my bad. I didn't mean to hit you. Which way should we go?
Another cave.
We got there.
I need you to go in front. I can't see. I need you to go in front.
Something tells me.
More water. Why is this part red?
Oh fuck, we're actually gonna have to
Stop
swim.
hitting me.
My bad. Swim.
Oh wait, come back.
Come back. Go back.
I died, bro. You should have told me earlier.
Did you die?
Yes, I died, bro. What do you expect?
Oh. Do I have to wait for you to come back? Or
Yes, I don't even know the way, so just die.
wait, I got you. Come here.
Bro, oh my lord, they're not even gonna save me.
Come here.
I'm gonna die as soon as I
Careful.
spawn.
Make sure you have your hands up. Make sure you swim.
Go, put me in. Oh my lord, I told you.
I died.
Just respawn.
This is done.
Respawn.
Okay. So Operation 1 failed.
Okay.
So okay,
I'm a pickaxe.
we're gonna need that.
I want
A
pickaxe.
flashlight.
2 flashlights, 2.
I don't think we need this. Or got flashlight. And then a weapon.
I'll buy myself a revolver here.
And then I'll buy myself some ammo. I don't have that. Hey, I'll buy you back.
No. Okay,
Here.
fine.
We don't need the pickaxe, bro. Okay.
We do. Oh no, we do.
All right, let's go quick.
What? I'm feeling low. Ah, fuck. Am I low? No, I bought the limit.
This is actually cool. Okay, come on.
Okay, I got 2 flashlights. Okay. Wait up, bro. I can't climb up fast. Bro, my game is hella laggy right now, bro. Like it's switching to side to side, and my screen was pitch black. All right, let's go.
Come on. We're going quick, cause we need to get some stuff.
I see pogo stick.
We don't need pogo stick.
You know what? We need it, Derek.
No, we don't need it.
Get it, Derek. Get it. Ah! Hit it.
I'm dying. Up off me.
He's invincible.
Bro, respawn. Okay,
Let's
now
go get our loot. No. We don't need no loot. We just gotta go get our stuff back.
no more playing around, bro.
Yeah, for real. Oh my
can't-
goodness.
Let's go. We're going the right way. Maybe we should bring a flashlight.
I don't even know where we are.
Okay, we're stepping close. Right there.
I see something.
Where'd you go?
What is this? Oh, we made it.
Okay.
Yeah, let's get a flashlight.
I already got one. Tonight the music sees the road. Am I human being the world? Alright, before I stop the spawns.
Actually, you know what? Let's get. Ah! I got you.
I need an MRE, bro.
Over here.
Oh, hold on. Let me get my gun. Where's my backpack
You're
at?
stuck. Come on, we gotta hurry.
Wait. I need my backpack. Yeah, my backpack full of ammo. Okay, come on.
Yeah. Okay, hey. We gotta go quick. We don't need anything else.
Yeah. Where you at?
Come on.
Come on, hurry up.
I know where to go.
Where?
Because I played these games before.
Shut your ass up, okay.
No, I have played these games. He's back. Don't hit me.
Bro, I didn't mean to hit you. I ran into you, dickhead. Alright.
Hey,
I have an idea, Derek.
run. Follow,
I got him.
follow me.
Shoot that. Take that.
Come on, let's go.
Wait, I need heals. Bro, why would you use that? What if there's a monster in your body, dickhead?
Just, bro. It's alright.
Alright. Huh. Alright.
Don't worry, we're cave divers. We're going back. But make sure you better not touch the floor.
Bro, that's on you, bro.
That was you.
Bro, you're going all the way back.
We went this way.
I know that.
Yo, you got me. Don't hit. Why are you hitting me, boy?
But wait.
Okay,
Wait.
wait. Put your pickaxe.
Derek, I see
Somewhere.
some. I'm coming, Derek. I'm coming, wait. Don't go down, Derek. Derek,
Wait, what happened?
don't go down, cause then you get blown away. I'm gonna come back, alright?
Wait, are you? Did you go the other way? Did you go the other way?
Yes, the one with the fan. I'm coming back. I'm speedrunning this.
I'll wait for you.
I'm coming.
Come on. Why weren't you following me? And I thought you said you knew.
Shut up. It's because I wanted to go the wrong way.
The long way?
The wrong way.
Come on. Wait. Do not go. Do not go.
Okay, I'm really
Put
low.
your pickaxe in your bag. Everything in your bag, because that's how you die.
I'm gonna die again, watch.
You just follow your movement. Oh.
I died.
I made it.
I died.
I'll wait for you.
I died!
I'll wait for you to respawn.
Bro. Fine.
Oh, wait.
Just die, bro. I'm gonna end the video already. Okay. Bro, where you at? I don't know, bro. Bro. I don't know what's happening, dude. What is happening? Yo. What? What? Alright, yo.
You're my friend? Yeah, I'm going.
I'm not trying to do it. Derek. Bro, respawn, bro. I'm gonna end the video already.
Oh, okay.
Hurry up, bro. I'm waiting. This video can't be that long. Bro. You know I'm just gonna end the video, bro. You're taking too long. Oh yeah, bro. I'm waiting for you. I'm gonna give you one. I'm gonna give you like 30 seconds and you better come back, bro. And I'm being for real. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
I'm here.
17. Alright, bro, about time,
That's your
bro.
bag.
It's not even. I don't need it. Okay.
I want to complete it though.
Well, nah, I'm not trying to do this video for that long.
Just charge your battery.
I know. I'm
I'm
gonna try
going to public.
Wait. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and shout out to Derek, bro. Okay, shout out to Derek. Alright, bye, guys.